Hello, good morning, a brand new week. Just around 20 minutes before trading for Monday on 22nd September 2014. We are looking at Lanka Indian Oil Company. As we know, we had an eventful off week last week. We saw 47.50 was the closing, and then on the ex-dividend date, we saw as expected price retreating towards 44, and then for a brief, and then started seeing the next couple of days after the XD seeing some gains from 44 towards 45. So that's about 1 rupee gain. Of course, our previous support, which was around 45, now turned as a resistance. So we are at this crucial point, which is at a resistance, and the price is testing the resistance. And today would be this week, most probably we have 5 days of trading. We should see some kind of closing this gap. So that's our strategy. This is our initial target, to close the gap from 45 to 47.50. So we're talking about 2 rupees and 50 cents gap to be closed this week. So that should be our target. And what would happen once this gap is closed, you will see more and more buyers coming in with the anticipation run towards 53 or 56 as an initial target for us. Of course, we will have 50 as a resistance point, but I do not think that it would be a significant resistance level, because we have already touched 49 and it's around 45 with a almost 50% correction. So we should have more legs towards 50 plus target. Well, on the support side, as you know, we are at 44, and it's very important that we hold on to the support, which is the 50% support, and we should take it from here onwards. So we have closed around 45. Important couple of, the days ahead, the next 2-3 days ahead, prior to Wednesday, I prefer it to at least close 50% of the gap, and by end of the week that we are at the doorstep of around 49 at the previous resistance level. Now, can LIOC do it? Yes, it can, because we have if you look at the true range, we have a daily ATR of around 1 or 120 currently. So we are expecting a 1 rupee to 120 gain, a movement on a daily basis, and it's just a couple of days of good trading, good buying, that should close the gap. So our initial strategy is to close the gap and then to see through around 49. So we have 5 days of trading, and let's wait for the moment and see how LIOC takes us. So it's important that we patiently wait. Those who are trying to enter now, I would suggest the buy is still on. If the price closes above today's or 45.50, so that would be a good buying opportunity. So some people would have bought around 45. That's all right. If they have already entered, we have a support of around 44. So anybody is trying to do any scalping or kind of trying to take small profits out of a big trend, a good strategy would be to enter now, or wait until this 45.50, have a full stop around 44, and go for a target of around 47.50 or maybe around 40, slightly below 49. So that should be one more strategy. I do not recommend such strategies because you need to have a very liquid movement in any counter. So my strategy would be consider towards 53, 56. These are the targets as a short term. After testing 49, we came for a 50% correction, and the journey should resume this week towards closing the gap, and then towards testing of the resistance. So that's about Lanka Indian Oil Company. I think we will do another video on Friday after trading closes to analyze the situation. That's it. Have a great week ahead, and let's be back on Friday. Thank you very much. This is Shark.